very much to be like a form of intimidation. Instead of making the process transparent, you threaten possible suppliers from participating in government transactions. Will you explain yourself? Parang natakot mo sila.
Ma'am, I think mali po yung newspaper account.
Mali ang Inquirer?
Yes.
Sagot
In
ka,
fact, we've been
Inquirer.
conducting active solicitation for them to participate para mas marami, ma'am. The more, the better. Mas marami po kami pagpipilian at mas marami po makakapag-participate. Hindi po totoo yun na they were intimidated. Wala pong ganon.
Mr. Ramiro Lopez, consultant of Mr. Puno, was said to be a mere observer in the bidding, just like Mr. Puno, who claims he was just a mere observer. Why did Mr. Lopez answer questions that were directed to the members of the Bids and Awards Committee or the Technical Working Group of the same committee? Siyang sumasagot eh.
So, ma'am, sometimes si Do siguro medyo familiar, ma'am, doon siya sa pinag-uusapan. Just like anybody is allowed to talk. Pagka ganun po kasi dinidiscuss po
What do you
namin.
mean by just anybody?
Ako,
In the
lahat
Bureau
po
of the
ng
Awards
nandun.
Committee?
Yes, ma'am.
In the procurement?
Even the proponents, even the observers. Ganun man kami kaliberal because baka mas maganda man yung kanilang suggestion and everything, lahat po ng decision ay pinagbobotohan pa namin ng membro, ng regular members of the Bids and Awards
Bakit
Committee.
mo pa sila tinatawag na observers? Participants sila eh.
If they raise
Ang
questions,
pagkaintindi ko ng observer, wala ka pag-alam sa proseso, nanonood ka lang dyan. That's what are called observers in the United Nations sessions, for example. If your ID says observer, hindi ka pwede magsalita.
Apo, pero medyo mabait po kami ron kasi ang amin pong idea is baka meron po sila.
What you call mabait, I call irregular.
Maybe,
Observer na
ma'am.
nga eh.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ka ba nakakaintindi ng English? The endurance and durability. Time. Moreover, there were allegations of irregularities in the conduct of the test. During previous procurements of rifles, was the endurance and eligibility test as stringent as the one you used?
Ma'am,
Answer.
actually, we based that on research. As far as I know, meron pa nga pong 30,000 round endurance test. Usually, 5,000 lang po yan, but we really want to get the best and the most durable firearm for the Philippine National Police.
Bakit ilang beses ba pinapaputok ng pulis ang kanyang baril sa loob ng career niya sa police officer? Kasi you require 20,000 times.
1,000 lang po, ma'am.
20,000. Grabe. Is the allegation true that the firing test was interrupted every 150 rounds? A drastic departure from the previous practice of test firing a gun for 500 rounds before taking a pause to clean the gun.
Ma'am, as agreed upon, it is, nandun ma'am yun sa dokumento na binili ng mga proponents, yun ma'am yung ground rules ng testing. Alam po ma'am nila ma'am lahat yung procedure na yan. Yung first 150, pwede po ma'am, kasi maglo-load po yan. While naglo-load, nililinis. After 1,000 rounds, tini-strip po yan. As agreed upon, nandun po yan eh. Agreement po yan ng mga proponents, nandun po yun.
Di ba
Based on the
dati
rules.
500 rounds? Tama ba ako? Mali ako.
150 po, pwede po siyang linisin, pero i-strip po siya after 1,000 rounds.
Pero yung noon pa, yung
Ma'am, the same procedure, pinalo lang po namin.
kaya mali ako,
Yes.
na 500 rounds lang dapat. Or dati.
That 1,000. Pero yung regarding the stripping, yung cleaning, sinunod po namin yung dati pong procedure. Kaya po naging 5,000 to 20,000 po. Yun nga, ang sabi po namin, we want to get the best and the most durable firearm for our police.
Ang napabalita sa akin ay ganito. Kaya magtatanong ako, is it true that the representative of Trust Trade was allowed entry into the testing area and even brought an electric fan, basin, and cleaning materials to clean the gun after every 150 rounds? Why was the representative allowed to interrupt the test firing to slow down the frequency of firing? Kasi natural, kung tuloy-tuloy yan, mapapagod ang baril. Kaya kailangan, hinto-hinto mo para hindi makita ang kahinaan ng baril. Ngayon, sagutin mo itong tanong. Pinapasok mo ba si Trust Trade doon?
Ma'am, may representative po sila, may table doon na after nung 150, nung 1,000, and so on, doon po nila nililinis. Ang naglilinis po nito yung representative po ng Trust Trade. under the direct supervision po ng member po ng aming technical working group.
Ngayon, total na punta na rin lang tayo sa assault rifles kanina, no? Ang pagtatanong ko ngayon ay tungkol sa handguns, sa assault rifle. How many prospective bidders attended the pre-procurement conference sa assault rifles?
Sa assault rifle po, if I could remember, about 7. 7 po ang nag-attend.
Seven
Yes.
ang prospective bidders
Opo.
sa pre-procurement conference. Ngayon,
Pre-bid.
how many?
Ma'am, may I beg your pardon,
I'm
Madam?
sorry. Oh, I thought you were changing your answer. I will now proceed. The NAPOLCOM issued a resolution listing the technical specifications for the assault rifles. But I have seen a memorandum to Secretary Robredo. The memorandum said that the BAC altered the specifications of the rifles, thus limiting the number of potential bidders. Is that true?
Ma'am, we follow strictly the NAPOLCOM specification. That is the basis of the procurement.
No,
Yung-
answer the question. Totoo nga ba na pinalitan nyo ang specifications ng mga rifles?
Hindi po namin pinitan. It is within the NAPOLCOM specification po. Kasi if I may
Yes, go
be
ahead.
allowed, Madam Chair, yung pong NAPOLCOM specification, may nakalagay ho ron, for example, gas type, piston type, or better. Of course, we want the better one. So, yung gas po type, that is the basic. Yung gas piston, medyo upgraded and medyo modernized na pa yan. Or, kung meron pa po, or better. Then, kami po naman, we adapt the best as para
Hindi,
as
pero
much
pagtatanong ay
possible.
meron kayong regulasyon, di ba?
Yes,
Tapos
ma'am.
pinalitan nyo. Totoo ba yun o hindi?
Ma'am, actually, hindi po namin pinitan. It is within the NAPOLCOM specification.
Ang NAPOLCOM ang nagpalit.
Hindi ma'am, within the NAPOLCOM specification. Kasi meron po,
Hindi,
ma'am.
walang pinalit doon sa
Wala,
technical
ma'am.
rules.
Yes.
Kaya mali ako.
Opo.
Walang pagpalit sa technical rules.
Wala pong